Arrest of merry presidents in Copenhagen met. Remember climate chaos, it have not happened yet. But if you sign a protocol, high standards can be set for cutting emissions. Don't be coy, please don't be coy. Start cutting emissions, don't be coy. Gordon, Saka, Hu Jintao and Angie, don't be shy. We need you for to take the lead, and this the reason why. The United States of America might leave you high and dry, and won't cut emissions though they can. Oh yes they can, for they must cut emissions and they can. Now to our God sing praises, He's given us the power to save the planet from destruction at the final hour. We save the roots, support the stem and flourish like a flower. But we must cut emissions in our lands, the world's in our hands. Yes, we must cut emissions in our lands.
Beautiful. Wunderbar.